Cleopatra, I'll watch you fix your hair, then put your panties on in the mirror. Cleopatra, then your lipstick. Cleopatra, then your 6-inch.
Hey lipstick gang, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video. Happy New Year, guys. I'm so excited about 2024. I'm coming on here to show y'all how to make this beautiful lip combo. I use this brown liner that goes by the name of Ankara, and that beautiful baby pink lip gloss that you see in the middle goes by the name of Alexandria. I cannot wait to share this combo with you guys. I had this combo on my heart for a long time. It has been living rent-free in my head, and I just had to get it out. And what better time to get it out than the new year, because you know us girls love a good combo. So stay tuned. I cannot wait to share it with you guys.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang. Let's mix it up.
Alright, you guys, first things first, I have to give a shout out to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. Of course, you guys know I work with Dossier many a times. They have a variety of scents ranging in affordability starting at $25. You can shop Dossier at dossier.com, or you can shop them in Walmart now. So you have a retail option and an online option. I had to spin the block again and get my favorite scent from them, which is Ambery Saffron, which is a dupe of the infamous Baccarat. And I can't get over this stuff. I have so many bottles. At this point, I'm spraying the bed sheets. I'm spraying everything. I just love what the saffron does for my mood. It definitely puts me in a happy mood, and I cannot get enough of this scent. The next scent I have is the Fruity Almond, and it is a dupe for the Carolina Herrera Good Girl, and this is one of those nice fruity scents. So if you love fruity scents, definitely try it out. Okay, so for that beautiful brown liner that I'm going to be making, I'm going to be using the Very Veelo Beauty Lipstick Creator Bundle, which includes my world famous base and the Isododecane remix. And of course, as you guys know, the full recipe to this video and all of my future videos will be on my Patreon for a small pledge of $5 per month. You have access to all of my archive recipes as well as my future recipes. Special thank you and shout out to all of my current patrons and all of my new patrons. The additional love and support that you guys give me by joining has helped this channel grow by leaps and bounds, and I am so overwhelmed at the love that I get from you guys. So thank you so much. Okay, so I have my base in my bowl, ready, set, go. And now I have my brown oxide and my titanium dioxide. Usually I add that white to the bowl first, but I was moving so fast that I added the white to the wrong bowl. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm just going to take my rubber spatula and just work that white into that brown oxide really, really well. And after that, I'm going to pour it in like so and just continue to mix it into the lipstick base. And this recipe is really, really simple. The brown only calls for 2 ingredients as far as color is concerned, and that is the titanium dioxide, which is the white, and the brown oxide, specifically from TKB, because you know all brown oxides aren't made the same. And then I'm going to be adding in some Kaolin Clay. So what you want to do with this Kaolin Clay is mix it until it becomes a paste consistency by sweeping in a back and forth motion. My camera cut off, so I'm going to do a quick demonstration on what I did to get to this point. I'm just going to take my rubber spatula or silicone spatula and just basically move the spatula in a sweeping motion back and forth like this, around, scraping the bowl, and then back and forth until you have all of that clay incorporated into our lipstick. Now it's time for the ISO remix. I'm just going to be pouring that right over that paste that we made, and then I'm going to mix it in with my hand mixer until our lipstick changes from that paste consistency into a nicer, creamier consistency with a better glide.
Cleopatra, then your lipstick. Cleopatra, then your 6-inch heels catch her. She's headed to the pyramid. She's working
All right, so here I am just taking my syringe. I pulled the back off of it, and I'm just filling this syringe with this small little spatula that I have, and I'm just loading it up and tapping it just so that the product levels down and it's into that syringe really good. And then I added a pipette at the end, that way that the product can be directed towards the bottom and bring it on up to the top as we fill, leaving a 1 inch space. And you see how I'm moving that wand up and down? That's what's going to continue to allow our product to rise. And now I'm moving on to the gloss, and I'm adding my VERSAGEL to the bowl, and now I'm adding some grapeseed oil so that we can correct this texture, because we know VERSAGEL is really thick. So just to thin it out a little bit, I'm adding in some grapeseed oil. You can also use hydrogenated polyisobutene, but I didn't have any on hand, so this is just another way to make it work. Now I'm adding some pink LC. We made that baby pink LC on my Patreon together prior to this upload, so be sure to check it out. And I'm just mixing in that pink LC, and as you can see, the lip gloss was still kind of thick, so I went in with some more grapeseed oil. And then I'm just going to mix that in very well and continue on until it is time to add the preservative.
Cleopatra, then your lipstick. Cleopatra, then your 6-inch heels catch us. She's headed to the pyramid. She's working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid. Working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid. Oh, working at the pyramid. Yeah. Working at the pyramid. Working at the pyramid.
Now that we have everything beautifully combined, it's time to add some preservative. So I'm going in with just about 2 drops of this preservative cap 2. And then I'm going to add some cotton candy flavor, which I feel is so fitting for this color. And I added in about 5 drops of the Get Sucker cotton candy flavor, which is one of my favorites. And just like that, we're done. With this gloss, because of the consistency, it's not as thick as a lipstick, I just drawed the syringe up and then added my pipette, of course. And I went on to fill my 15 milliliter squeeze tube. For this, I should have put it in a wand tube because I feel like it's a better application, especially with the lip combos. To apply the gloss, I just ended up using an applicator anyway, so it worked out. But here I am just applying the brown, the Ankara matte lipstick, well, moisture matte lipstick. This, I wanted to show you guys the brown on its own, outside of it being a combo, and I was a little concerned as far as me, like it washing out my complexion, but you guys know that it's not about me, because all complexions wear this brown, so I'm just showing it for demonstration purposes on me, but I really do love the way this brown turned out. All right, so right here I'm just lining my lips with the brown in preparation for the combo, and I am just doing the outer of my lips with the brown, and then I'm going to take an applicator and do the center of my lips with the baby pink. And I am loving this combo, you guys. This could easily be an everyday combo and fall in that neutral category. So I'm loving the way that this turned out. It's so fun, and of course you guys know I like to show you in a lower lighting setting. But yes, thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for allowing me to share my gift with you as usual. Happy New Year. Love you guys.